Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can optimize your Android performance. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the battery and device care. This one, tap on this option, and then if you want to optimize your Android performance, you just need to click on optimize now. But since my Android device has been optimized, so I cannot tap on this button, but we can still optimize our Android device by clicking on the memory option. Then we're going to clean or free up the memory by stopping the background apps. Then you just need to click on clean now. Okay, and you have to wait until the cleaning process has completed. You have to wait until 100%, and now the Android device has been optimized, and that's how we can optimize our Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.